Hey there guys, it's 3D Print Dude. In today's video, I figured I'd do an honest review on one of my favorite filaments. This is the Overture PLA filaments. This is my honest review on Overture filaments. I've been using Overture PLA filament for my 3D projects, and it's quickly become one of my favorite brands. The quality and performance of this filament have been consistently impressive, making it a reliable choice for all my printing needs. First and foremost, the print quality with Overture PLA is excellent. The prints come out smooth and detailed with a nice and even surface finish. I've printed everything from small, intricate models to larger functional parts, and the filament has performed wonderfully in all these cases. The layers adhere well to each other, resulting in a strong, durable print. Bed adhesion is another area where Overture PLA shines. I use a couple different types of bed with a thin layer of adhesive spray, and the filament sticks perfectly every time for me. I've had very few issues with warping or prints coming loose, even on larger, more complex prints. This reliable adhesion has significantly improved my printing process success rate, so yay! I be loving Overture PLA filament. One of my recent projects involved me printing a custom designed phone stand using Overture's white PLA filament. The color was bright and consistent throughout the spool, and all of the prints came out looking fantastic. This was a custom job that I did for a customer, and they were super satisfied. The filament extruded smoothly without any clogs or consistencies, and there was minimal stringing, which was easily cleaned up in the post-process phase. Overture PLA is also a very forgiving filament. It's very forgiving when it comes to different print settings. I've experimented with different temperatures and speeds, and the filament has performed well across all these range of settings. This versatility is great for dialing perfect settings for any specific printer or project needs. Consistency in filament diameter is another strong point of Overture PLA. The uniform diameter ensures smooth and even extrusion. It is crucial for achieving high quality prints. I've had issues with inconsistent diameters in other brands, but Overture's precise manufacturing standards eliminate this concern. And I know that sounds dorky, but I'm a dork. One of the things I appreciate most about Overture PLA is it's affordable. Despite its high quality, the filament is reasonably priced, making it accessible for both hobbyists and professionals. It's great to find a filament that offers such excellent performance without breaking the bank. And lastly, customer service from Overture has been fantastic. They were super responsive and helpful because I had to reach out to them with a couple of questions. This level of support is greatly appreciated, and it adds to the overall performance this brand brings to the hobby. In conclusion, I'm extremely happy with Overture PLA filament. If you guys want more information, consider using my affiliate link to buy that filament down below. And I also give you 4 of my other favorite filaments that I've been using. Hit me up in the comments if you guys have questions, and consider subscribing. The print has finally finished, and I gotta say, it looks pretty dang good. Let's take it off the plate here. All right, man, this thing's cool, right guys? Look at this thing. Let's go test it out. This thing is beastly. All right, which sword do you want? Big one or small one?
Small.
Small one? All right, let's battle. Oh no, it broke. We'll put it back together.
How did that break? You win.